Hey gamers, tired of searching for free PayPal gift cards and getting nothing but spam? I've got something that actually works and it only takes a minute. Here's what you do. Click the link in the first comment below. You'll be taken to a page where you can choose the PayPal gift card you want. Pick your card value, whether it's $100, $200, or more. Then you'll be asked to complete a short survey to verify you're not a bot. Don't worry, it's totally safe and takes less than a minute. Once you finish, your free PayPal code will appear on the screen ready to use. Just copy it, head over to the PlayStation Store, and redeem. That's it. No catch, no download, no stress. Just follow the steps, get your code, and start enjoying free credit today. Smash that like if it worked for you and comment below what you grabbed. Now go enjoy your games with that extra boost.